Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick little get ready with me using the Natasha Denona Glam palette, which mine is filthy. These things get dirty because I'm going to my stepson's graduation. So if you want to see how I created this look, well then just keep on watching. So first off, if you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Belinda. I am a mature makeup artist, self-taught here on YouTube. I like to do reviews, unboxings, skincare, techniques, tutorials, anything to do with makeup and beauty. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a notification. So now let's get into this get ready with me. So guys, I think I'm going to work out of the Natasha Denona Glam palette because it kind of goes with what I'm wearing tonight. So I might go into another palette for some shimmer, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. And the reason why I have not been on YouTube is because I've been having a lot of issues with my device, and I've been having a whole lot of back pain. I mean, just so bad I couldn't even sit up. So I went yesterday. They said they checked it. They said it's still in place, but I can't feel it and it's not working properly. So I don't know what's going on. I may have to go back and get them to do an x-ray and see if it's in the same place, but I feel like it's moved. That's just me. And of course I was reminded that this is the only thing left there is to help me, and I do know this. I want it to work. I wouldn't have had the surgery if I didn't want it to work. So I was kind of a little upset with her for putting it like that, but anyway, we're gonna stick it out and see. I've got 4 more weeks until I'm completely released, but it is what it is. I'm gonna put on my Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base Concealer in Fair. And guys, Gerard is having a sale right now. So the sale going on is you get a full-size setting spray, a lip gloss, a mini hydrating mist, a lip liner, a bullet or a Hydra Matte lipstick for $50. So that's like $10 each. That's an amazing sale. So if you would like to shop Gerard, which is one of my have-to-have brands in my beauty room, I have to have my Gerard Cosmetics. I will leave the link down in the description where you can go shop. Gerard is an amazing brand. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to be outside in the sun, which it will be later on in the evening, but we are going to be out in the sun for a little bit, I'm going to go in Broad Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen by La Roche-Posay. If it has not went bad, oh no, it just needed to be shook up. I hope. So I'm just going to rub this in on my skin before I put anything else on. Keep me from getting burnt. And I am going to use, I think I have a foundation that has some sunscreen in it. Then I'm going to go in with my Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. Put that on real fast before I go. I haven't eaten all day and it's almost 4 o'clock. All right, now that I have my moisturizer on, I'm going to go into this palette. I'm gonna do my face last. I know y'all are used to seeing me doing my face first. I'm gonna change it up a bit. I hope everybody's been doing good. I'm so sorry that I've had so many medical issues going on and have missed a lot. I'm going to go into this color right here. It's called Transition. And I'm just going to pat this in my crease right above it. I'm not going all glammed out. I just want to put on a little bit of makeup. This is the first time I've put on makeup in 2 weeks, so let me know what you've been up to since I've been gone. Okay, next I think I'm going to go into this smoke color right here. And I'm just going to take this right here in the outer part of the lid, outer third. Just gonna press that right here. And then start to bring it through my crease. Bubba, he knows we're going somewhere. He's upset. Just pressing this through my crease, about midway. I'm gonna take my Rose and Ben E29. I'm just going to do little half circles to blend that in. So my stepson, he is 18 and he's graduating tonight. So we're going to his graduation. Now I'm going to go into this black right here that says Lash Line. And I'm gonna go in with my Rose and Ben E27. And I'm just going to just tap in. And I'm going to just start patting that into my outer third. I'm gonna pat in one more time, and I'm gonna go up this way with a pat. Then I'm going to pat this in, get the rest of the color off of the brush. Then we're going to pick up our E28 and we're just going to tap. Then I think I'm going to take the this palette, the Item Beauty in my Element eyeshadow palette that I got from Ipsy, and I'm going to go in with this white right here. And I'm going to take a clean brush, Blend Bunny B5. I'm just going to tap into it, tap any extra excess off, and I'm just going to go right above this and blend that into my brow bone. I think I'm going to go in with, this is such a beautiful color. I think I'm going to use this Stellar again. I love that color. And I know there's a color like that in the Natasha Denona palette. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to use the Stellar. I just think it's so pretty. And I'm just going to press that on my inner part of the lid. And I will probably go in with one of the shimmers out of the Natasha Denona palette to go in the middle. I'm going to take the Rose and Ben C30 and kind of build this up like a fox cut crease. This brush is so good, guys. I'm going to go into this gray color. It's called Center Eyelid, this one. And I'm going to put it right here because I do have some gray in my dress. It's kind of like a animal print. My daughter bought it for me for Mother's Day years ago, and I've only wore it a few times, so I Well, I'm gonna wear this because I want to be cool and comfortable sitting on some hard bleachers. I'm gonna go over and do this eye. I'm not gonna wear lashes because I am gonna have on sunglasses, so it kind of defeats the purpose of wearing lashes. I'm gonna pop just a pinch right here in this outer third of that color. It's called Outer Eye Lid. And that's what we have right now. And then I'm going in with the color Blend. And going around all of it. And I'm going to take my Rose and Ben E29 and just kind of tap around the top and the sides. I'm going to go in with this Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer because I do think my face is going to be dewy or luminous. Because I know I'm going to be hot, but I'm going to take one of my fans with me. Not my electric one, but I'm going to just take a hand fan so I can cool myself down. Okay, now I am back. Let's do the face. I think I'm going to use my It CC cream. So I have light, medium, and medium right here. So I mix these two. So I'm going to take like a half a pump of medium and then a full pump of light medium, because medium is my summer shade and light medium is my winter shade. And then I'm just going to tap in. I gotta change my earrings. I've had these on since the last time I was back here. If that tells you anything. And just to be on the safe side, I am going to powder my face today since I'll be out in the heat. Pro Filter Fenty powder. And I'm just going to powder everything down. I don't usually powder my whole face, but we are going to be out in the heat. And I don't want my makeup going anywhere. I am going to go with the Makeup Revolution Eye Bright Concealer. And I'm just going to put a dot there, a dot there, a dot there, and a dot there. And I'm just going in with the Rose and Ben C30. I'm going to go in with the Rose and Ben C40 bronzer brush and the Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tantastic. And then just give the face some color. And then I'm going to take the Rose and Ben C41 and I'm going to go into this Mishka Beauty. I think that's how you say it. And I'm going to go into these two down here and tap, 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 tap. Because this brush, whew, it does hold on. And I'm just going to kind of bring it up right in here. You can see there's not a lot on there. I love this blush brush. It is so amazing. Her brushes are so good, guys. If you want to invest in some really good brushes, good quality, good everything, get the Rose and Bim Beauty. They are that good. I'm gonna go in with the Dragon Beauty Ofra Verified Black Liner. I'm just gonna do a small wing. Then I'm going to go in with my Item Beauty. This is the Perfect Black Mascara. So for the bottom lash line, I went in with the color Lash Line, the black that I put in the outer corner, and then I went in with Blend, the color I went in up here last, and did the under part. And I think for the lip, I'm just going to go in with a nude lip, and I'm going to use my Sugar and Spice lip pencil. Because this lip liner will last all night long. And I will probably go in with Bare It All as my lipstick. Last thing we need is setting powder, or not setting powder, highlighter and setting spray. And I think I'm going to go in with this Buxom highlighter. And I'm going to go in with my Slay All Day setting spray in Dreamsicle. Spray that face down. And let's dab it out. And then we're going to go into this Buxom highlighter and just put a little bit. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this quick little get ready with me. I hope all of you have been safe and well, and I'm going to be trying to work my best to get back in here and do some content for you guys. And I just thank y'all for sticking around with me and hanging it out with me. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, well then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.